Hi everyone, my name is Mahmood Sheikh and welcome back to Unix Shell Programming Tutorial Series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program to reverse each and every digit of a number. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. As we can see here, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter the number. Now let us suppose user has entered 123, then your program needs to reverse each and every digit of this number and you should get the output as 321. Okay, so to get this output, first we need to create a variable with a name reverse, and this reverse variable will be holding the reverse of this number. Initially I should initialize to 0. Okay, next, as you can see here, this is our number 1 2 3 and we want reverse, that is 3 to 1. So what we can do is we need to go for accessing each and every of this digit. Okay, first I need to access the number 3. Okay, so to get the number 3, I can perform the modulus operation on this number. So our number is 123, so I will find the remainder num mod 10 123 mod 10 and we will get 3. Okay, now we have separated out this 3 from this number 123. Next I need to go for reversing. Reverse is equals to reverse into 10. Reverse into 10, reverse is 0, 0 into 10, 0 plus reminder, that is reverse is 0 into 10 plus 3, we will get 3. Okay, now the value which gets stored inside this reverse is 3. Reverse is equals to 3. Now we have successfully manages to get the first digit of our reverse number, that is 3. Okay, next I need to reduce this 123 to 12 by dividing this number by 10. Okay, when I divide this number 123 by 10, I will get 12. Now next I need to perform the same step of finding out the remainder. So again each and every of these 3 steps gets repeated again and again. How long? Until a specific condition gets satisfied. That condition is num is greater than 0. As long as the value of num is greater than 0, we need to repeat each and every of these 3 steps. So I should use a while. Okay, when the value of num becomes 0, then this condition becomes false. 0 is greater than 0? No. Condition becomes false. That's why control will not come inside the while, it will come outside the while to print the reverse. Okay, so in the first iteration we saw that we got the first digit of our reverse number. So at the end of the first iteration the num becomes 12. Then control goes back to while loop where num value becomes 12. 12 is greater than 0? Yes, condition becomes true. That's why control comes inside the while loop where we are finding out the remainder. So now num is 12, 12 mod 10, we will get 2 as the remainder. Now we have accessed the second digit of our number. Now I need to perform this step, reverse. Reverse is equals to reverse is 3, right? 3 into 10, 30. 3 into 10, 30 plus reminder is 2. 30 plus 2, 32. Now we got reverse as 32. Now we have got the second digit of our reverse number. Next, again I need to do this task. Num is 12, 12 by 10 and we will get 1 value. Okay, so again that value goes back to while loop where we are checking 1 is greater than 0. Yes, condition becomes true. Control comes inside the while to find out the remainder. 1 mod 10 and we will get 1. Okay, next reverse. Reverse is 32. 32 into 10, 320. Okay, 32 into 10, 320 plus remainder is 1. So 320 plus 1 will get 321. Okay, now we have got our reverse 321. Next step. So now num is 1. 1 by 10 we will get 0.1. Now the value of num becomes 0. Control goes back to while where the value of num is 0. So 0 is greater than 0. No, condition becomes false. That's why control will not come inside the while loop. It will come outside the while loop to print the value of reverse, and the reverse value is 321. Okay, so this is how the number gets reversed. So I hope you guys understood the concept. Now I will write down this shell script. I will start with the shebang usr bin bash. Then I will ask the user to enter the number. Read -p, enter the number num. Okay, next, as I have said, I need to initialize the reverse to 0. Next, I should start a while num is greater than 0, do find out the remainder. Num mod 10. Then I will find out the reverse. Dollar reverse into 10 plus remainder. Next I will find out the num. Num value gets changed. Num by 10. Okay, next done, and now I will print reverse of reverse. Okay, sorry, reverse is $REV, and you will get the output as reverse is 3 to 1. Okay, so this is how you can set the logic to find the reverse of each and every digit of a number. So I hope you guys have understood this concept. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.